How to make dumplings.
We can see what go on. We can see what I say. Move around, move around. All right, big up yourself, Amma. Big up yourself. All right, see we are now. All right, so in this, see we there. In this, we have the flour sheet and salt, and now we have the mackerel. Good, that is for later. So me know everybody need dumpling different. I don't want everybody come for me. You get what I say? So me go say you push back the flour look a bit, and you see one look up. Open space, you get a tubs like that so. Look at tubs of water. You see how look a bit today? Yeah. You go so and you just mix your finger and just gradually bring in the flour. You get what I say? So that part they done now. You make a different part. You party out a so. And then you go so. Tubs of water, you don't want journey like say rotted flood. No. One step at a time is a process. See there? Mixing a local flour right there. So you see you have to look a bongo right there. So that's how you want. You get what I say? Yeah. So after you do that now, move it again. Make a local area. Yeah guys. Simple as that, you know. Tubs of water, mix it up. See there? Almost like a potty. It's giving potty. It's giving pot, right? Yeah. How many people I say, oh, we don't know if we make dumpling and then really they say, all right, this one not drown the flour too much. It's a process. Rochelle Wagwan, big up yourself, you know. Today I'm not to know when we reach this morning. Sit there. Sit there. Right there, so. Mix it in. Thank you for the likes, guys. Wow. Rochelle, thanks for the likes. Big up, you know. See there now. So you see when you have this, remember say sometimes the flour sheet now, it I got depend your hand like this. You get what I say? So when that happens, you just want to push it off to the side. Alive? Yeah. And then you go so look a bit of water. Look a bit of water. Mix. That is it. That is it. That is it. You get what I say? All right. Once you go so now, guys. You see it get like this. I saw it. Wow, thank you for the likes, guys. You want the consistency. Yeah. You see that? So when that happens, you start squeeze. Look, start squeeze. Some can stick, some can stick. You see the one them can stick, you go and you put it to the side, look a bit. You get what I say? Then some still look like you want look water. So this is how you don't know. Go so boom. Get the more water pan. You get what I say, guys? It's a process. It's common sense, really and truly, you know. See there? Back and forth. Back and forth. That is it. That is it. And you know, so when you're done, we have to match it up with the great mackerel. Yeah? Flash out with the girl, right the sushi. Dumpling and mackerel. That's a must. That's a must. You know, say Emancipation Week, Independence Week, we have to represent that. That's right. Like, yeah, man. All right, see you now. We go so. All right, see the one you see now. Good. And this. So now we move to the side. Where we have them one here loose one here, and then one here already tough. Move to the side and we go so. Put some more water right there. So everybody have to stick together now, you know. Stick together normal out. You get what I say? Lie? Yeah. See there now? Boom. That is it. It's how we want to know. Right. You see when this up now, we bring everything together like us. And we need and we mix. Press. See there? Oh my God. Whoa. Bring it around. Now see what I want, people? I guess thank you for the likes and big up. See there? Consistency. Now, some people like when they flour tight. So when you tight, you know, say hard to cut through, but that full your belly more, because you know it's giving construction worker. Yeah. So you need a whole heap of flour. So you go so now, you don't really want a whole heap of water, but you still want a little bit of water because it kind of look shaky. You get what I say? It's still not have enough water. So this is how you're doing it. You put a little bit, but you want to put it on your finger. So it kind of flash out. Flash out, murder. Yeah. Then I go so. Yes. See it now. See it now. Exactly. That is it, Rochelle. You cannot rush the process. That's why it's spoiled. We don't want to spoil. Now, if it did spoil, we have a hack what we can use just in case it did spoil, but it not spoil today. So we have to just save that one there, right? See it now. And when they say need, see it here now. You need it. Oh my God. See where? Yeah. Need. So you want to use your so your hand back. Your hand back. Don't guys. Your hand, right here. So the palm of your hand. And the end, and you need the flavor. Right, that's a sheet. Need. You want it well tight? Right. So when you need it, you're locking everything in now. Salt, flour, water. Yeah. Everything are going. Do we know? Jesus. Need. Need a lie. And we go so now. Whoa. Look at this, guys. It's giving dumpling. It's giving professional to talk about it. Murder. Right there, so now. See we are? Always here. So now, you see there's not how much people in our house or how much people now cook for. You want to pop off the amount. If you want your dumpling big or small, all right, this is going to be one right there, so. See we are now two right there, so she. Oh my God, it's giving three. Yeah.
How to make
Yeah.
dumplings part 2.
You see the separation? That is it. Yes. So after you do that, no. For the need, for when you make the circle, right? Because some people have thought, well, your dumpling neat, your dumpling cute, your dumpling pretty. You get what I say? You get what I say? So me want me kind of, I don't know, everybody need them for different. This is what I'm giving. You get what I say? I'm giving, I give finger in a dumpling right there, so make it. Yeah. Well, thank you guys. And some people do it so.
You take care, beautiful.
I big up yourself. Jesus. Finally, guys, I don't know what going on because every time I just there, I mean, I vibe with people, they match just a come in. Anyway, so we are now. That's one way people make dumpling. Me sure know all of the way that mommy know about. This is where you have control. This is where you have control. You get what I say? Match him one, match him, get him. Alright. You see, we are talking to people. I know a long time will not see me. This is where you know is the formula. See there? Round. You know, so them always say, make the look of the dimpling and the niggle and the dumpling. So when you put the gravy in there, settle. I say, alright, hold on. You want too much now? You don't enough to make dumpling. Listen now. Yeah. So I saw me make dumpling, guys. I start it out so. Yeah, so I farm out when I put on my one and then you go so. Now this a dumpling is kind of small, so if you want it wider, you press. You get what I say? Press. I like. See there? Wow, it's giving breakfast. Talk about it, yeah. Yes. So that is how you make dumpling, guys. So I put on my water already. My water boil right now. You get what I say? So you need to put on your water before you start make the dumpling, because you want the water for ready by the time you're done make the dumpling. You get what I say? Yeah. Long time. Right through. Food is a must. Yeah, so you like it small and neat, look a bit and cute, right? That's all. Yeah, we don't like it big old wanga something like construction site. No, we don't want it to give that. Yeah, thank you guys for tapping up the screen. Wow, I appreciate the likes, guys. Bless up on yourself. Good morning, morning, morning. Yeah. See we are now. Blood clot nearly drop. Guys, if you drop, what I do? And if you made a wonder one day. That is not mine. No, me only did I prepare for 5 people. Now me see 10. Murder. It have to go cut in a 2. Come in and share my share. As the chef, you cannot shorten the chef plate. I may want it. Yeah, man, you know, in Jamaica, when them say you cook and your food drop or something, somebody want it. See there? Rochelle, you confirm. You confirm. Alright. So we're dumpling and now watch your Shensi and this pretty and Jada Rain Skilly Bombventic. Jesus Christ, watch news. Achoo. So, look on dumpling. Rate my flour. Rate my dumpling. Look a bit and cute. Look a bit and neat. You see the little dimple right there? So I'm going to tilt it. You see the little? Yeah. It's giving dumpling maker. Oh my God. You know, say me not have no pear. I say me go in at the supermarket, you know, and I see the pear. And I say, you know, I'm going to come back for the pear, yeah. Come out of the supermarket. Did they get the pear? Hurt me, you know. Because you know, me like when I have the dumpling, the mackerel, and the pear on the side. Because something about dumpling and mackerel with pear. Yeah, it's giving everything. All right. So right now, I kind of neat up and I finalize. Turn up the fire. It kind of not boil already, you know, but I just make it just one normal because I never ready. You get what I say? So now, turn it up back. Yeah. And you know, I have a look at Irish too, you know, guys. I'm name about the Irish sheep. I have a look at Irish. Yes. Remember about the Irish. Thank you. Me see your top, Mama. Me see your top. Jesus Christ, thank you. They are with you. Alright. Let me make us see what's going on. Oh, it go. 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 Rate my dumpling. Rate my dumpling now.